In this video, I'll teach you how to make a cool and easy paper popper. A paper popper is a fun origami craft that makes a loud pop sound when you flick it through the air. It's super simple to make. All you need is a regular sheet of paper and a few folds. Perfect for having fun with friends, doing a quick project, or learning a new paper trick. One sheet of paper, any size, but A4 or letter size works best. Watch the full tutorial and follow along step by step. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and origami videos.